Welcome back to Fixing Furniture. We've got a different episode for you today. We're going to get you some input on our next projects, but we really want to tell you about a membership program we've set up to help the furniture restoration community. We've got some items that we're going to give away if you join before the end of May. I'll tell you more about those at the end of the video. But this really is a video about the membership program and how we can help you extend what we can teach you about furniture repair and bring the community together. But first, what I'd like to do is get your input on our next video here on Fixing Furniture. I've got two options for you, and I'd love to hear your feedback so we can choose the option that you're most interested in. The first option we've got here is a Windsor chair. This has some loose tenons in it that have been re-glued a couple of times, so this chair needs to be taken apart and re-glued again. The second option we have here is a rocking chair where this back has broken off. Beautiful back here. The post here is broken off at the bottom, so this post has to be returned. There's an odd connection of how the seat comes in the back here, so that needs to go on. And we also got a number of pieces here that have been hand carved. These are arms for the chair to help give this chair some structure. So let us know in the comments. The first comment in this video will be asking your opinion. Would you rather see the rocking chair or the Windsor chair? So let us know about that. So let's talk about our membership program. We've got a lot of opportunities here for you to engage with others that have a common interest. Have you ever had a conversation with someone where you've got a common interest and the conversation just flows? This is your community. I'll tell you more about that. Stick with me. We'll talk all about it.
As a furniture repair business, we're opening the doors to our workshop to show you the tools and techniques to repair furniture.
The front rail here, you can see this has been broken off.
We give you tips to make your repair projects easier. Let's get into the workshop and start fixing furniture.
Sponsored by Kennedy Hardware, offering restoration hardware for antique furniture. If you're a regular viewer, you'll know I'm passionate about teaching furniture repair. The reason is, I believe this is a disappearing craft. Where can you go to learn these skills? It's very difficult. Many of the people that I know in the industry in my local area are at retirement age. So who are the people that are going to learn these skills and carry them on? We've put together a Fixing Furniture membership experience for you. And we've got a number of things in there to help you learn furniture repair skills. So whether this is something you're doing as a business or maybe it's a hobby that you're just picking up, this is a community where you can come together and learn and share these skills. So we've got a number of elements to the membership. The first one is reference sheets. Here are a few examples of the reference sheets. This is how to identify wood finishes. It walks you through the step-by-step procedure, and we purposely made these with larger fonts so they're easy to read. Here's another example, how to choose the right glue. Going through the steps to choose the glue for your project, and not only that, some more detail about the glue and some safety tips for them as well. So reference sheets is one of the 5 elements we've got in the membership program. The next one is we offer our YouTube videos that you can watch without any interruptions, without ads. Sometimes people find those annoying, so we put our full library into the membership program for you to watch at any point, and you can track your progress of which ones you've watched. We also will be putting up videos before they're published to YouTube, so you get first access to these videos before anyone else gets to see them. So we'll hope you find that compelling. But there are 2 more things that are a really important part of this program that we're excited about. One is a discussion community. So you'll be put into a forum where a number of people can actually have conversations in what we call circles. So imagine a few people standing in a circle having a discussion. So this is an opportunity for you to interact with others rather than just watching videos and putting comments. So this discussion area is an area where you can ask questions, you can share your tips of what you've done that works for you, and talk about various projects. But the last element is one that I'm really excited about, and that's doing more video for you. So what we've got is something called Fixing Furniture Live, and this is a meeting every 2 weeks that you can join, and we will have a live conversation with you in this meeting. We'll record them in case you can't attend, but we've recorded our very first one last week. So we launched this program last week. It was a soft launch. We've already got members from the US and UK. We don't have any Canadians yet, so to all the Canadian people out there, you need to join. So what Lori and I did was we didn't have any members join on Tuesday night when we did this, so we recorded a segment, and I'm going to play that for you so you can get a flavor of what this live is. So it's about a 12-minute segment. I'll put it in here and then come back and tell you about the offer that we've got for you before the end of May. Welcome to our very first Fixing Furniture Live. Lori and I are here. We don't have any members that have joined us yet today, so we're going to record this so you can watch it afterwards. The purpose of these live sessions is so we can have a live interactive conversation. So when you join us live, you'll see on the right-hand side, there's a chat area. So you can chat there as we go through. You can also turn on your camera, turn on your mic, and we can have conversations as well. So we'll have multiple people on the screen walking through things. So the way this is going to work is we're going to choose a topic for the episode. Every 2 weeks we've got a new episode, and we'll walk through that topic, have a conversation about it, and then we can go through a Q&A. We're also going to cover off things like what's happening in the workshop right now and other developments. So this really is a way that we can offer you deeper, more rich conversations about repairing furniture and the things that you love to do. So one thing that we will ask you when you join is, hey, where are you joining from? So we'll start off the chat that way and get familiar with it. So you'll notice on the screen here, there's an LB. That's Lori Bennett. That's my wife and my business partner. Say hello, Lori.
Hi, everyone.
Lori's a little camera shy, but we will eventually get her on the screen. I promise you that. So as we go through these, Lori and I are going to have a little bit of a chat here and give you a flavor. So Lori, let's talk about why we're doing this. We run a furniture repair business and we have conversations with our customers. Lori deals with all the customer service and I'm the guy here in the workshop. So Lori, when we have customers that show up, we have a front porch with rocking chairs. They come to the porch. What are those conversations like?
Well, it creates a sense of community, and that is something that I love. So I feel like we were talking about just the other day. I feel like this membership site is us bringing our front porch chats with our customers to our global audience. It's allowing us to create a connection while also sharing information, education, giving something useful to people, but also just creating a great sense of community. And I absolutely love those, what I call my front porch conversations, our front porch conversations with our customers when it's just the two of us or just me out on the porch talking to people about the item they're dropping off. We learn a little bit of history. Sometimes we talk about local restaurants. What are you doing this weekend? Like right. it is community, which is what we believe in, and it's fabulous. So I'm hoping that we bring that same energy and that same community connection and feeling to this platform. Yeah,
for sure. And another funny thing that happens is because we've got so many videos on YouTube and we've got so many viewers, we do have people that come to our front porch and say, oh, it's the guy from YouTube.
Yeah.
It's a little surreal because what you see on camera is actually what you get on our front porch.
Yes.
So this live just gives you an extension of that. This is me. This is who I am. I'm not an actor on a YouTube channel. This is what you get. So it's us. It's authentic. We hope that resonates with you. We're building this community so that we can interact together.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
And with that too, Scott, just because this is a new way for us to interact and to connect with our audience. And we have the best audience and the best viewers, so supportive, so amazing.
For sure.
And that is fabulous. The comments that people make on our videos, the support, the positivity, it is really, we have created a community, which I love that, and it's very appreciated by the both of us. But maybe just let people know, we want to let people know, if you do, you're on the site, you're looking at different things, you do have questions or concerns, something's not working, you don't know where to find something, please reach out to us. You can go to the Contact Us page. Our email is there. Our phone number is there as well, I believe, too. So reach out to us, because we really want this to be a positive experience for our viewers and our members. So I just don't want somebody in there not quite knowing where to find things, and you're not getting the benefit of this full amazing thing that we have created. So we want to hear from you. This is your community. This is our community. So I want everyone to have a really good experience and an easy experience. So Scott and I are here to help you with that. So yes, please reach out to us. We want to hear your feedback.
Yeah, and if we do find an area where people are really stumbling and having a hard time, we can create a video for that and host it, so you can actually get a tour of how this works. So let's just walk through that a little bit. In this live session, we've got that chat column. In the top right-hand corner, there's also an expand, so you can get it full window. That'll make your viewing experience a little bit better.
It's the two arrows.
The two arrows, right. It sort of looks like that.
Yes.
And then on the left-hand side, you'll also see something in the fixing furniture community called circles. And let me explain what that is. So a circle is like a group of people standing around having a chat. So we've created a couple of circles that are focused on a topic, whether you're repairing wood or whether you're repairing a finish. So you can hop into that circle and have a conversation. You can see the conversation that flows. There's also a circle there for these live sessions, so you can put your comments in there. If you do have topics that you'd like us to cover, that would be a great spot to put them. Give us some suggestions. So as I said up front, we will pick a topic for the session, and we'll stick to that theme through the conversation. Perhaps do a little bit of demo work, but if you have ideas, put them in there. I also want to let you know too, when you're looking at your membership program, you've got the community, you've also got fixing furniture videos and reference sheets. And if you haven't found those yet, this is an example of a reference sheet. This one here, I can't read it backwards. How to identify wood finishes. This gives you the step-by-step process of how to identify a finish. You can hang this up in your work area. Put it in a binder so that you've got it for reference. So those are downloadable reference sheets. We are adding to that content as we go. So if there's another reference sheet you have a suggestion for, let us know in the chat. Then we can look at making those for you. Yeah. So the purpose of those really is to give you quick reference, things that are easy to find that you might not remember, but have to keep back referring to. I've got one, for example, in my drill bit box. Let me just pull it out here. So in my drill bit box, I open up the lid. You can't read it, but this white piece of paper is the sizes for different types of screws that you need for pilot holes and for clearance holes. So this is something you can cut out from one of the reference sheets and put it in a drill box. There's also a one sheet size that you can hang up somewhere as well. So those are some resources to help you out. And of course, all of our fixing furniture videos are there for you to watch. They will be coming out sooner than they get published, so you get first view of them. But the whole library is there, and there's no interruption with YouTube ads. So hope you enjoy that experience. You can put comments in there. Let us know what your thoughts are on that. So we've got a lot of things going on in the workshop. Yes, I thought I'd just give you a little peek. I'm not going to turn the camera. There's lots of things lined up here in the workshop. But one of the things that we've got coming up, and we are making a video on, is a rocking chair. So this is the lovely back of the rocking chair, but it has snapped off. So here you can see the bottom of the post. I'll get that a little closer to the camera right here. This one has snapped clean off. So this needs to be replaced. It needs to be turned. The back is a unique connection. The whole rocking chair is on a spring mechanism. It's not on rockers. So there's always tension being put on this back. It does have arms that help the structure of it. It's going to be an interesting repair. I've been thinking through it mentally about how to prepare for recording the video. And I think there's going to be a few surprises in there. It's a little bit like renovating an old house. You never know what you find until you start taking stuff apart. So we'll see how that video goes. There's a number of other chairs lined up here, but I don't think they're video worthy. It's a matter of repairing them and getting them back to the customers. But that's one that you're going to see coming up. We've got a number of videos lined up where we've blocked them out until July. So lots of content coming ahead. So I think that covers off everything we wanted to go through in this particular session. We really just wanted to record a short session so you can see what this looks like. You can look at the recording because we don't have anyone live today. But I do encourage you to attend these live because then we can have that interaction back and forth. We purposely schedule these at 2 different times, and you'll see that in the membership overview. One's at 5 p.m. Eastern, and the other one is at 8 p.m. Eastern. Because we've got a global audience, this allows people in Australia to hit the later one, people in the UK to hit the earlier one. So we're hoping that every other session, alternating times that way, you've got that ability to jump in here and be part of the live conversation, and we can chat. So I think that's everything we wanted to cover off. Lori, did I miss anything?
No, I think you covered off on everything. I think once we are live with viewers, maybe we can go through, find out if anyone has questions, again, just about even navigating the live stream. I know there are a couple of buttons in front of everybody that, you know, maybe you could walk through to just explain, this is how you make a comment, this is how you give a thumbs up, and that sort of thing. But no, I think you've touched on everything. And yeah, I'm looking forward to you know, meeting people in this virtual community that we have now created. And I think it will be really exciting and a good opportunity to meet people, but also educate.
Yeah,
So,
for sure.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's wrap it up there. You're going to see us live in 2 weeks. The meetings are listed in the community there. So I hope to see you in a live session next time. But if not, please be sure to watch it and you can see what we chatted about. Thanks a lot. Take care. So I hope that gave you a flavor of what Fixing Furniture Live is and what you can look forward to. So let's talk about this offer we've got for you. Lori and I will be mailing new members a pair of coasters, our Wouldn't It Be Nice coasters, and a Wouldn't It Be Nice sticker for those of you who join before the end of May 2024. So if you'd like some coasters mailed to you, regardless of where you live, and the sticker, we'd be happy to send those along. So we're looking forward to seeing you in the community and also seeing you online in Fixing Furniture Live so we can have some rich discussions. What you see here is what you get. This is not me acting at all. This is me in my workshop sharing information and knowledge. And I know we've got other people in this community that have knowledge as well that they're willing to share. So this is an area we can all come together and we can work together to increase our knowledge and understanding of furniture repair and restoration. Thank you for joining us, and if you're interested in watching more YouTube videos on fixing furniture, I'll leave another one right here. Thanks for watching Fixing Furniture.